des, des, of the. In Afrikaans, we rather use van die when we want to say of the. Des is reserved for certain occasions, but van die is the one we use in general. Des te beter, all the better. Des te meer, all the more. Des te meer rede om te. Des te meer rede om te. All the more reason to. Na dese, after this or thereafter. We usually use it to mean after that has happened, or after this has happened, or after all the time. Na dese gaan ek terapie nodig hê. Na dese gaan ek terapie nodig hê. After this or thereafter, I'm going to need therapy. December, December. Decibel, decibel. Decibel, decimal, decimal. Decimal, deskundige, deskundige. Expert, desnieteenstaande, desnieteenstaande. It's a mouthful and it means even so. Desnoods, desnoods. If need be. Desperaat, desperaat, desperate. Destinasie, destinasie, destination. Destructief, destructief, destructive. Destijds, destijds, also commonly known as daai tyd, and it means at that time or some time ago.